Rescind, verb. Rescind, verb. Revoke, cancel, or repeal a law, order, or agreement. Revoke, cancel, or repeal a law, order, or agreement. Rescind, verb. Rescind, verb. Rescind, verb. Rescind, verb. Example: the government eventually rescinded the directive. Example: the government eventually rescinded the directive. Synonyms: revoke, repeal, cancel, reverse, abrogate, overturn, overrule, override, annul. Synonyms: revoke, repeal, cancel, reverse, abrogate, overturn, overrule, override, annul. Antonyms: enforce, enact. Antonyms: enforce, enact. 1. Trade union leaders have demanded the government rescind the price rise. 2. This means that the latter can rescind the contract. 3. The court has power to rescind a bankruptcy order under this section. 4. Darlin then tried to rescind the order. 5. Both parties may rescind or renew the contracts via mutual consultation.